Dozens of folks felt the impact of COVID-19 pandemic, and some still are, from safety restrictions to finding other methods of serving the community. Business owners speak to our Desmond Matthews about how they've adjusted to a new normal.
On March 11, 2020, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19, the disease caused by SARS-CoV-2, a pandemic. The virus impacted schools, businesses, and families. First responders would fill hospitals to treat sick patients, and businesses would soon close their doors. While some facilities stopped operations, others continued to serve the community in more ways than one, like Ray Hamilton. Hamilton is the owner of Anthony's Good Food Market in West Point. He says after seeing folks in need during the pandemic, he realized the importance of helping his community.
It was a Friday night and I was walking through the restaurant and it was just packed, elbow to elbow, and I couldn't stop thinking about that. All the people just crowded in here, and West Point, especially being an older community, it scared me.
Hamilton says it was a learning experience.
You're learning as you go. I have a good network of other restaurateurs, and we'd all bounce ideas off each other. And when we started opening back up with the to-goes and then the limited seating, we would talk to each other, what worked for you, what didn't work for you.
After weeks of the shutdown, the CDC recommended folks to shut down until COVID cleared the air a little. So for that time, Hamilton kept paying his employees, and fortunately, he retained them when it was time to open up again.
We had very low turnover. We had all our staff come back, which was huge, especially at the beginning. Cleanliness has always been a big deal here.
Anthony's opened his doors for to-go orders only in May of 2020 and for limited seating in June. Hamilton says that social distance spacing wasn't an issue because he had the space. The restaurant also had to narrow its menu due to price increases and factories shutting down to get specific items. But it wasn't all bad.
It gave us the opportunity to kind of reset and provide more of an enjoyable dining experience, knock down some of the noise, and people became more flexible with what times they were coming to eat.
In West Point, Desmond Matthews, WCBI News.